3524 here, and today we're going to be adding RAM to the Dell Optiplex 960. What you do is start by putting the computer sideways and look towards the top back part. You're going to look for this and you're going to pull it back. This will release the cover, which then you will just lift up to show the internal components. To add the RAM, we're going to be focusing on this area first. You're going to want to pull up on this tab, and when you do, you're still holding it up, and you push back on the CD drive. And lift the CD drive up, and just pull it back, and that's your hard drive there. We're going to be adding our RAM to the first DIMM slot, which is this open slot here. And this computer uses a DDR2 RAM. So you're going to want to take your RAM stick, and you're going to want to take this part right here on the RAM and line it up with that part right there, which is going to let you put it into place. And then with two fingers, press down firmly on each side until it clicks in. And then you're all set, and you would do that with any of the spots that are open. It has 4 DIMM slots, so you can put 4 sticks in. We're going to be back over focusing on the DV drive to put it back in, so you're just going to put it back on this. You're going to line it up with that, and then you're going to push it in towards you until it clicks in, like that. Then you're going to line your cover back up with the spots down here. And then you'll push down until it clicks in. And that is going to register in the computer. And when you start it up, it'll ask you there was a memory change, and you just hit F1 to continue. This has been the how to add RAM to the Dell Optiplex 960. Any comments, questions below?
You home at night. Don't need money. Don't